Hello everyone, welcome to Kevlar Crescent's Outside Adventure. We're here with the whole gang.
Hey, look at me!
So we're here today in another wilderness adventure as we go through and see.
Hey! Oh! Zayden just found the waterfall.
Oh, it looks like one of our younglings just found the waterfall.
I don't stab you with a stick.
Oh no, watch out, he's a crazy Wolverine. He's gonna get you.
No, I'm not.
Oh!
Game over, yeah!
Hi.
Oh. Is he just really excited?
Yeah. He really loves me.
Right there. Like, yeah, the dog got under.
I saw this dog like 3 times already now.
Is that Twin Falls?
Yeah. You're so sweet. Yeah.
Game over, yeah!
Are you serious to me? Oh my god! Oh. We're getting closer to the waterfall now. It's actually going to be pretty interesting. There's a bridge over the waterfall, so if we get close enough, we can walk over it and see. This is a steep hill. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. All right, my dudes. It's adventure time. I'm getting called. I'm being summoned. Oh, what did you find, Zayden? Did you find the river? Oh, look. Look at this. Look at this river.
Guys.
All right.
I'm Zayden. Now it's part of Zayden, Ashley, Rose, and Kamal. Kamal is whining about his coat. And he wants to hold it in this backpack.
Yep.
Mario.
Yeah, he's got a really cool Mario 3D backpack.
Yeah. Okay, hurry, Daddy.
Okay, you want to go back up?
The dragon's coming. The
Dragon?
over there.
Oh, like last time? Oh no.
Go, Daddy. Catch up. Catch up.
All right, I'm coming. You all right over there? Oh. Yeah. All right, I'm coming.
I'm the short, Daddy.
Oh.
Come on. The
Oh.
dragon's coming.
The dragon's coming?
Okay, that's the ocean. That's the trees.
That's the tree.
This is the words. You read it? Hey guys.
We're almost there, guys. You getting tired? Mac and cheese with the beans. Oh my god.
Apparently, it's snack time now on the mountain. We're really close to the waterfall.
Guys, hold on to it tight.
Yep.
I want to take a picture, but I'm terrified I'm going to drop my phone.
Yeah, don't drop it down there because it's gone forever.
This is really cool. This is worth it.
All right, everybody. Thank you for joining us for this outside adventure. Oh, look at this beautiful mountain. Zayden, you can't make that jump.
Zayden, you're going to end up in the water.
Yeah, Zayden just... Kids are getting all wet and we're going to have to get home before we get hypothermia from the riverbed. So we'll see you again next time. Kevlar Crescent signing out.
See ya.